I'm JoJo the monkey, and I'm so grateful to see you today. You know what I'm gonna do? Make some monkey bread. I'm gonna teach you how to make pumpkin pie monkey bread in my bundt pan. This is part of a collaboration all about Thanksgiving desserts. I'll tell you more later. In a pan, you need a cup of brown sugar, a quarter cup of butter, a cup of pumpkin puree, 4 ounces of cream cheese. Combine over a medium heat. I need 2 cans of cinnamon rolls. Whack it. Cut each roll into quarters. In a baggie, I need about 1/2 cup of sugar and a little pumpkin pie spice. Add those chopped cinnamon rolls to the bag and give it a good shake. The sauce is now heated, so I'm gonna whisk it until smooth and remove it from the heat. Put 1/2 of the cinnamon rolls in the bundt pan and 1/2 of the pumpkin mix. And repeat. I'm gonna cook this in a 350-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes until cooked through. The monkey bread's ready. I need to wait 15 minutes to let it cool before the flip. Flip. Monkey bread. The cinnamon rolls came with some glaze. I'm gonna add a little pumpkin spice to it and mix it up and put it on top. Monkey bread, good. Wow, I need to taste this Thanksgiving dessert. Monkey bread, good. This video is part of a much larger collaboration all about Thanksgiving desserts, hosted by my friends Rebecca Peaky and Vicky Wright. To see a lot more videos celebrating the Thanksgiving desserts, check out the playlist in my description. Thank you for watching me, JoJo, on Jim's Kitchen. Every time I take my dog to the park, the ducks try to eat him. That's what I get for getting a purebred dog.